So hello everyone, today I'm going to give the overview of my website. So this is the landing page of my website. When you scroll down, you will see a lot of sections. This is simply landing page and all the CTA button are disabled, not working, but there is the things, the content of this website you will see when you click on dashboard. For before clicking on dashboard, you should put login because I put login here. There are some important content is there, a lot of content is there, so you first login. And since you can track yourself, that's why I need login on this website. So when you click, you will see, it will redirect to the dashboard of this website. And in left bar you can see the sidebar is there for DSA, planner, blog, system gen, language, notes, and profile as well. And in right side you can see it is it will show your progress while solving you DSA problem. For in the starting, I have built this website for DSA problem, DSA progress only. But later on, I have added a lot of things. I have added a lot of interview questions, code snippet that I asked in my interview, and I have added planner as well, like what I have to do today, and a lot of languages I have added. So you can, when you first, I'm going to explain the DSA section because the core thing of this website is DSA problem. So I have added DSA, and it is added in this manner. Like I have added a lot of topics of DSA, like in Java basics. If you can see, there are variable, typecasting, operators, and loops. Once you are solved those questions, you will move on to the next section. Like there is a array. So when you are solving DSA problems, so the main thing is that you just solving questions randomly. And when you are appearing in an interview, then question will not able to solve because you have solved a lot of problems, but you have not follow the patterns because DSA is all about patterns. So I have categorized all the patterns here, and every pattern has questions, and you can click on the that pattern. Like if you learn two pointers, and so there are some easy, hard, and medium questions as well. And once you solve, you can tick here, so it will be track on this website. And there is a solve link, like I have added the lead code link here. So when you click on this link, it will redirect to the lead code page, and where you can solve the problems. So mm, also so these are all about the DSA problems. And so when you solve the question, like I have solved 102 questions from lead code. And also there are, it will show you a streak as well. Like I have 13-day streak in a row. Like before that, I have more than 30 or 32 days streak, but it was broken. And still right now is 13 day of a streak. Today I solved these two problems. And one main thing I forgot to show you, like you can add your notes here. Like if there are hints for this problem, when you are come to this problem again solve for solving, so you can add your hints here, and it will shown to you only, it will not show to other people. But here is the one more thing, like I have added, if someone is added answer, submitted their answer on lead code, and they can submit here. Like I have submitted, add the answer here in Java, and it was submitted. So when it will go to the admin, and once admin will approve that code, that answer, it will shown here as an official answer. and anyone, and it will available to everyone. So if you want to click here, and you can run on your lead code as well. But if you are not able to solve the problems, you can see the answer from here also. And here you can add your notes. So, and also if some questions is not, so like this question has not solved yet, and so if you solve those questions, you can add your answer also. Or if you are seeing like this questions has not optimized solution, so you can submit your own answer, and once the admin will show, one admin will see, and then admin will approve. Once admin will approve, it will shown to everyone. This is the second thing, like this is a planner, like it is just to do when you can add your to do here. Like if you have to there are three things is there: 2 days, repeat until, and repeat every day. So when you add a repeat every day, it will recurring every day. The to do will be shown to you. You not don't need to add every day that to do. And repeat some task, we have to repeat till some particular day, so you can add the particular date also. And this is the long-term goals. You can explore those sections. Yeah. Third section is blog section. So in blog section, I have added a lot of blogs, like step by step to start React app. What is React Fiber architecture? 24 best practices to for a senior developer, and you can follow. This is the best blog I have ever read, and how to start a React query. You can learn that blog also. The Git cheat sheet I have also added, and in next system design, and in system design I have added only one blog. You can see how to mm, how to make an architecture level design for a restaurant management platform. You can read that blog. It has added um, like front end and back end. And the next section is language section. So in language, every language I have added, every language has some lessons. You can click on that lesson and revise your language. And these are the very small lessons, so you can revise in very quickly. Also, the doc or Spring Boot has 27 lectures or 27 lessons. CI/CD pipeline, I have added complete CI/CD pipelines in 30 lessons. Also, Node.js has 52 lessons, and you're gonna love it from beginner to architecture level. You can read here. Also, I have added DSS theory. So this is the best thing. I have added, like if you are going to solve 2 point questions, so first you can um, read those concepts from here, and you can after reading those concepts, there are some practice questions also explained here. And once you have practice those questions, you can able to solve from questions from 2 pointers. And there are another concept that is sliding window. So read from here and you can solve. Notes is also there is section. You can add your own notes, and you if you want to keep some notes in your website on something, like I have to apply some um, in some companies, so I have added those links here. So when I came to home in my office, I have added those links. When I came to home, I just click on that link and apply as a front developer. So also there are a lot of things in there. In profile section, you can update your profiles. And yeah, this is all about my tech tracker websites. You can um, you can log in on this website and enjoy the free resources. And in upcoming days, I will added more and more things. More and more things. So you can just connect it on and you can enjoy. Mm,